Adding decimals. Tui needs 2 pieces of wood. One is 0.48 metres and the other is 0.95 metres. What total length does she need? We need to add together the two lengths, 0.48 metres and 0.95 metres. What we're going to do then is to split down 0.48 into 4/10 plus 8/100. And we're going to split down 0.95 into 9/10 plus 5/100. We don't need the brackets because there is nothing else to be done. 4/10 plus 8/100 plus 9/10 plus 5/100. And now we can look to see if we have any like terms. Do we have any of those decimal place values that are like each other? And we can see that the 4/10 is like the 9/10. Similarly, the 8/100 is like the 5/100. Therefore, we can gather them together. 4/10 plus 9/10 and 8, or we can put that in a bracket if you like to show that we're gathering them together, and 8/100 and the 5/100. Let's see how many tenths we have altogether. 4/10 plus 9/10 makes 13/10, and 8/100 plus 5/100 makes 13/100. This is the answer to our question. We need to write it back in decimal form, so let's put it into our decimal place value grid. 13/10. So we're in the tenths column, and we've got 13 of them. That's 13/10. Don't forget our decimal point. Then we have our 13/100. In the hundredths column, we're looking at 13. That's 13/100. Again, don't forget the decimal point. Now we've written them in, we can add them together. It might be easy to put the extra 0 in here just to fill it in to make it the numbers look the same size. It doesn't change the size of the number. 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and that's 1. So the answer to that would be 1.43 metres, and it's talking about the total length of wood. She needs 1.43 metres of wood.